Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's March 30th, 2025. Just coming out and taking a look around to start out with and seeing what I'm going to try and do today. Yesterday I was able to get a lot of the truss material down. Let me go through my boards here. I was able to get this part of the trusses and roof off over here. I still have some more up here on two of the pallet racks here. So that's one of the things I'm going to do today, is get this down. I need to get a lot of areas cleared out. So I got the Dixie choppers partially uncovered here. Haven't really assessed it at all. I've got a lot more material to pick up around here. Just got pretty darn exhausted, and the cold freezing rain was just what was getting to me yesterday as well. And so today I want to try and get this material down here, get all of this picked up if I can do this. You know, all the materials of sheetrock here is getting ruined. All the plywood's going to get moldy. Such a pain. Everything has gotten soaked. But eventually I've got to get this section here off. That won't happen today. There's no way I'll be able to do that today. But there's materials in between and broken truss and boards up there that are holding that wall from going in on this end. Same thing on the opposite end over there. So that section up there I need to address that and remove whatever materials there are up there. The two come-alongs, the straps, I've got the wall pulled in almost all the way, but things are holding things back on each edge here. So it means more material's got to come away from here, more material from away from there. Then I'll be able to get up there with a ladder and use the reciprocating saw or the sawzall to go ahead and cut out whatever is there. And so I got more picking up to do out here. It's just such a muddy mess right now. It's supposed to get warmer today, get close to 50 degrees today, so that's good. It's 38 degrees Fahrenheit right now. And my brother Jim and his friend John came down yesterday and brought me some pallets. So hopefully I'll be able to get more things put onto pallets, secured, and get them. I was thinking about stationing them right here. Once this area here is cleaned up, then maybe stationing pallets right over here on this side with whatever materials and equipment, getting those things on it. Yeah, it's kind of tough, but you can see here there's materials and all in there, and I don't want to just push this back with the equipment. And you can see the roof up there, water's coming down on the inside of the roof up there because the material's been ripped away. So yeah, so hoping the insurance company is going to come and give us some money, is we don't have endless resources here to do all of this. But we shall see what we can do. You can see the other side of the trusses here that are up here on these two pallet racks. So I'll try to take as much down in chunks as possible. That's my thought anyway. I'd like to be able to start getting a lot of the materials off of here as well. But the priorities are getting this down so that I can try and protect that building as much as possible. So those are my thoughts today. I'm pretty beat today. For some reason, I mean, I usually just need, 4, maybe 5 hours of sleep. but I didn't get anywhere near that last night. You know, I went to sleep regularly and got up at 11, woke up at 11:30, listened to 3 Joe Rogan podcasts, and still didn't fall asleep until probably a little bit after 4. And usually I'm up by then. And then I woke up at 5 and started my day. So a little bit pooped out today, feeling a little under the weather. But we are making progress. It's just slow. It takes so much time. And yeah. See my bandsaw down there. The snowblower. Of course, the farm equipment there, the BCS tractors. The several of my pruning tools, my long-handled pruning tools. Yes, Timmy. Yes, I'm paying attention to you. Oh, Lord. Well, I'm just babbling on now here. Looks like a lot of my metal here. This is part of the power screed for leveling, you know, for screeding concrete when we're doing concrete floors. That's destroyed. Oh, Lord. Well, anyways. So, I'll get started now. Gonna go have some breakfast in a little while, and then I'll get back to it out here. So we'll see what I can get accomplished today. Hopefully I can get something accomplished. I'm feeling pretty beat right now. Here we go. Timmy, you're such a pain.
There's nothing like the sounds of spring. The geese and ducks on open wings, calling out as they return. Through the skies the seasons turn. By the beaver pond so wide, life is waking far and wide. Through the woods and through the air, I can feel it everywhere. Oh, the forests come alive with every song, with every sign. The peepers call, the tree frogs sing. I hear the heartbeat of the spring. The deer step softly through the trees, while herons wade so gracefully. Eagles, osprey, hawks on high, building nests against the sky. By the beaver pond so wide, life is waking far and wide. Through the woods and through the air, I can feel it everywhere. Oh, the forests come alive with every song, with every sign. The peepers call, the tree frogs sing. I hear the heartbeat of the spring. Morning mist and golden light, feathered songs from dawn to night. The whispering winds, the rustling leaves, nature's choir surrounding me. There's nothing like the sound so sweet of springtime waking at my feet. With every chirp, with every wing, oh, how I love the songs of spring. There's nothing like the sounds of spring. The geese and ducks on open wings, calling out as they return. Through the skies the seasons turn. By the beaver pond so wide, life is waking far and wide. Through the woods and through the air, I can feel it everywhere. Oh, the forests come alive with every song, with every sign. The peepers call, the tree frogs sing. I hear the heartbeat of the spring. When the rain keeps falling and the sky stays gray, when the weight of the world won't fade away, it feels like everything is crashing down, like you're lost and you might just drown. But every storm that shakes your ground can teach you how to stand so proud. Every tear that falls today might wash your fear away. We all have mountains, we all have scars, we all have nights that feel too dark. But when the fire burns and the road is long, you'll find the strength to carry on. It won't break you, it won't take you, you'll rise again, let it make you. Every fall is just a lesson learned, every wound another page we turn. It's not about the pain you've known, it's about the way you've grown. So take the ashes, build anew, find the light inside of you. Every shadow fades in time, the sun will always rise. We all have mountains, we all have scars, we all have nights that feel too dark. But when the fire burns and the road is long, you'll find the strength to carry on. It won't break you, it won't take you, you'll rise again, let it make you. No storm lasts forever, no night stays too long. The hardest times will shape you and make you strong. We all have battles, we all have pain, but after the thunder comes the rain. And when it's done, when you've come so far, you'll wear those lessons like a star. It won't break you, it won't take you, you'll rise again, let it make you. So stand up strong, don't look back, you're not alone, you're on the right track. Through every fall, through every fight, you'll rise again, you'll find your light. When I was young, I was 10 feet tall, took on the world, never feared the fall. Worked my hands raw, chased every dream, knew if I gave it my all, I'd have anything. They say when you get old, it's time to slow down, take it easy, just sit around. But that ain't my way, never has been, there's always more, I ain't giving in. Getting old, man, it ain't no fun, still got that fire, but I can't outrun the aches, the pains, this body of mine. But the young man inside is still doing just fine. Grandkids got kids, time's moving fast. Life's a long road, but I can't turn back. Stairs feel higher, my back's gone stiff. I stand up straight, but it don't always stick. They say when you get old, it's time to slow down, take it easy, just sit around. But that ain't my way, never has been, there's always more, I ain't giving in. I'm getting old, man, it ain't no fun, still got that fire, but I can't outrun the aches, the pains, this body of mine. But the young man inside is still doing just fine. I still wake up ready to go, mind full of plans, dreams still grow. The mirror don't show what I feel inside, a heart that won't quit, a soul full of pride. Getting old, man, it ain't no fun. Still got that fight, I ain't close to done. Might move a little slower, but I won't stop. Still climbing that mountain, still reaching the top. So I'll push through the pain, keep walking tall. Been through too much to just let it fall. That young man inside, he ain't saying goodbye. He's just waiting for this old frame to catch up and try.
Well, it's warmed up some. It's probably in the 40s right now, not quite 50s, so worked up quite a sweat here. I was able to get the remainder of the trusses down that were up and over there. There's still parts of one that are jammed in between here that I'll have to get at later on. Maybe tomorrow I can get some of this material off of the mezzanine level here. We'll see how that goes. And then we'll eventually get over here to this side. And I was able to uncover most of the Dixie chopper here. So that's good. It's beat up pretty bad. The stainless is all bent. Everything's been out. Seats torn up. But this was a beast. Good Lord. So, and you can see over here better. It's my hydraulic lift table there. Mini-me over there, the front end loader of it anyways. You could see my battery reconditioner. I've got one down there that was on this hydraulic table here. So I'm a bit whooped today. I've got some more stuff to do as far as collecting things and sorting things out and all. So that's what I'm going to concentrate on now. So this will be the end of the video for today's video. Try not to overdo it physically because I am pretty darn tired, and it's a real pain working in the mud, all that mud. It let up raining, and when I checked the wheelbarrow here where I put a lot of things into transport back and forth, I had a good 2.5–3 inches inside of this wheelbarrow. So we probably got 1.5 inches to 2 inches last night. So everything's just soaking wet, and I'm just sinking, walking and pushing the wheelbarrow through the area. But I'm happy that I got that much done so far. So at least I'm making some headway. Some of the beans came down and smashed some of the glass panels for the greenhouse there in my glass rack there. But I think that was the only thing that happened there. And the Tempur-Pedic mattresses there are soaking wet, so that's a few 100 pounds there. Good Lord. So tomorrow we'll get back at it, try and get some more of these pieces of plywood up and out of here, and maybe try and get some of that as well. All depends on how everything goes. So that's it for today's video, folks. I hope you stay safe and take care. Bye-bye now.